Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll show you what is the Zorbi magic floating UFO illusion toy is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official website or to the official Zorbi website, the Zorbi Magic Flying Saucer is an illusion toy designed for children ages 8 and up. The company says that the toy creates the appearance of floating flying saucer, allowing users to perform tricks and make it look like it's hovering, gliding, and flying around their body. According to the website, one of the toy main features is its ability to perform smooth spin or spins and gliding tricks without using a remote control. The company also says that the saucer includes 5 colorful LED lights that create some eye-catching light effects while it's in motion. The toy is designed to help develop some hand-eye coordination and provide interactive indoor or outdoor play. The websites also state that the Zorbi Flying Saucer is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. According to the company, it only takes about 1 minute to set up, allowing you to basically quickly begin learning different illusion tricks and movements. At the bottom here, you may find, as you can see, some photos by their happy clients, some reviews, and you'll find even contact info if you want to ask some questions. And here they have reach out where you can reach out to them. If you want to buy it, you will not find the option to buy it on the official website, but you may find it on other websites like Amazon or something like that. So you can order it from there. Just click on buy it now, enter your shipping details, your payment info, and you should wait for it until it appears. But wherever you are going to buy it from, make sure to read the description and check that you're getting the real thing, because it may depend or depends on the seller. Some sellers may not have the real thing. So that should be it for me in this video. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.